When it comes to upgrading your home's aesthetic appeal and increasing natural light, few features are as effective as custom bay windows. These windows are an excellent way to add character to any room, creating a welcoming atmosphere and allowing you to enjoy unobstructed views of your surroundings. Whether you're renovating your existing home or building a new one, custom bay windows in Dallas can elevate your home's style, provide extra space, and improve energy efficiency. In this article, we'll explore the many benefits of custom bay windows and why they're the perfect choice for homeowners in Dallas looking to create the perfect view. What are custom bay windows? Bay windows consist of 3 sections: a large center window flanked by 2 smaller side windows, each set at an angle. This design creates a small alcove or nook that projects outward from the exterior wall of your home. Custom bay windows are tailored specifically to your home's dimensions and style preferences, allowing you to choose the best materials, sizes, and configurations for your space. Unlike standard windows, which are typically flat and fit directly into the wall, bay windows extend outward, adding both visual appeal and functional space to the room. The customization aspect allows homeowners to select the style, materials, and finishes that align perfectly with their home's aesthetic. Enhancing curb appeal. One of the most significant benefits of custom bay windows is their ability to enhance your home's curb appeal. These windows provide a striking focal point on the exterior of your house, adding character and architectural interest. Whether you have a traditional, contemporary, or farmhouse-style home, bay windows can be designed to complement and elevate the existing design of your home. Aesthetic flexibility. Custom bay windows can be designed with various materials such as wood, fiberglass, or vinyl, and you can choose from a range of finishes and colors to match the overall look of your exterior. Increased home value. Installing custom bay windows can also increase the value of your home. Homebuyers are often drawn to properties with unique features like bay windows because they offer both visual appeal and added space. Therefore, a custom bay window installation can provide a return on investment if you plan to sell your home in the future. Maximizing natural light and views. One of the most compelling reasons to choose custom bay windows is the increased natural light and panoramic views they provide. The angled design of bay windows allows more sunlight to enter the room compared to standard windows, making your home feel brighter and more inviting. Enhanced views. Whether you're overlooking a garden, street, or Dallas skyline, bay windows create expansive views that help you connect with the outdoors. Their angled design lets you see more of your surroundings, providing a stunning view that you can enjoy from the comfort of your home. Natural light. Custom bay windows open up the room, allowing sunlight to flood the interior from multiple directions. This makes them an excellent choice for rooms that could benefit from extra light, such as living rooms, kitchens, or reading corners. Having more sunlight and a wider view of the outside creates a more enjoyable and comfortable space for you and your family. Additional interior space. While bay windows are designed to project outward, they also create additional interior space that can be used for a variety of purposes. The alcove formed by the windows offers extra square footage that can be utilized creatively, making them a fantastic addition to homes of all sizes. Reading nooks. A bay window alcove can be transformed into a cozy reading nook with cushions and pillows. This is a perfect way to make use of the extra space and create a quiet, peaceful area to unwind with a book. Storage solutions. The space beneath your bay window can be used for storage. You can install custom cabinetry or shelving to create functional storage for blankets, books, or decorative items. This is especially useful in living rooms or bedrooms where space may be limited. Seating area. If you love entertaining, a bay window can serve as a lovely spot to enjoy your morning coffee or chat with guests. Custom seating can be added to the alcove, making it a versatile space for both relaxation and socializing. Improved energy efficiency. While bay windows are known for their aesthetic appeal and ability to brighten up a room, they can also improve the energy efficiency of your home when chosen with the right materials and glazing. Since these windows let in more sunlight, they can help reduce your reliance on artificial lighting and, in some cases, provide passive solar heating during the colder months. When installed correctly with energy-efficient glass, such as low-E glass, and insulated frames, bay windows can help maintain a comfortable indoor temperature throughout the year. The added insulation helps prevent drafts and reduce heat transfer, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Tailoring your bay windows to your preferences. One of the standout features of custom bay windows is the ability to tailor them to your exact specifications. From choosing the material and finish to selecting the size and configuration, custom bay windows are designed to fit your home's unique requirements and design vision. Working with a professional window installer in Dallas ensures that your windows are both functional and beautiful. Design flexibility. You can select from a range of glass options, including clear, frosted, or tinted glass depending on your privacy and light requirements. You can also choose different grid patterns or leave the glass unframed for a more modern look. Personalization. Custom bay windows allow you to create a unique feature that suits your personal style. Whether you prefer classic wooden accents or a sleek modern finish, the options are endless. Conclusion. Custom bay windows for your Dallas home. Custom bay windows are a great way to transform your Dallas home, offering enhanced natural light, unobstructed views, additional space, and aesthetic appeal. With their ability to improve both the interior and exterior of your home, custom bay windows provide a significant return on investment and can increase the overall value of your property. If you're ready to create a more beautiful, functional, and energy-efficient space in your home, consider installing custom bay windows. Reach out to a professional window installation company in Dallas today to get started on customizing the perfect bay windows for your home.